My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. And y'all can see it's hands-free, man. I know a lot of y'all rock with the hands-free POV. So I'm going to start by trying to bring them more. You know what I'm saying? I'm still going to do the other POV with holding the camera and everything. But, you know, some videos I got to have both in my hand, man, so I can really show y'all something. But anyways, that's besides the point. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. My watch had threw me off. Siri always trying to interrupt these videos, bro. It's crazy. That threw me off. But yeah, man, like I was saying, hit the like button, man. On the road to 15K. Get your boy to 15K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, we're finna get straight into it. As y'all can tell by the title, we are indeed, you know what I'm saying, about to teach y'all boys a little 1-2 thing, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not no pro, but I'm pretty good at it, for, you know what I'm saying, just learning off of my own. I'm gonna teach y'all boys how to slide a little bit. I'm not gonna do too much to let that be known. They'll do like a few little, you know what I'm saying, circles, 1 or 2, just to kind of, you know what I'm saying, get y'all boys the little feel, man, you know what I'm saying, to show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm gonna try to explain it first and then do it. And then I might give y'all another view from the outside, you know what I'm saying? I may prop the phone up somewhere and give y'all a little view from the outside, man. But make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Hold up, let me get y'all boy right. Make sure y'all hit that like button, though. Hit that like button, man. I need 100 likes. Let me get 100 likes from y'all boy, man. Good little 100 likes, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm finna teach y'all how to slide something real quick, man. Nothing too crazy. It ain't really too much, you know what I'm saying? Turn traction all the way off for cars. If y'all got a car that can do that, you know what I'm saying? Put that mug in manual mode, first or second gear. Nothing, you don't need nothing else but them two, first or second. You know what I'm saying? I really slide in first, but sometimes I think first, I be forgetting to switch it to second, but you know what I'm saying? So, but first, it's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Don't redline it. You just pat it. You can kind of redline it to get the tire started, and after that, you know what I'm saying? You just pat that thing some momentum. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna explain it as I do it. I'm gonna just do like 2 little circles, man, too. I'm trying to save my tires. I'm not trying to go crazy. You know what I'm saying? These tires been doing me good, doing me justice, and I'm gonna keep them doing justice, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try to do this for y'all real quick, man. The video may not be that long. It's really just me showing y'all how to slide, and y'all love to just hear Olivia scream, you know, so. Cause Olivia pretty quiet, but you know, y'all like to hear her, so, you know what I'm saying? She's pretty quiet to me, but yeah, man, we're gonna do just a little 1-2. But like I was saying, you know, I'm gonna go to the right, cause this is kind of my harder way to slide. But we in Mexico, as y'all can see. But yeah, so you know, some people start off with a burnout. I personally don't. You know, I just kind of turn the wheel and roll, and then when I roll until I just hit it, I just like to do it like that instead of all that excessive, you know what I'm saying? I try to save as much tire as I can, because I don't really throw too much smoke. I know that sounds crazy. I'll probably be like, bro, are you gonna save tire, but you trying to burn rubber? You know what I'm saying? But whatever, you know, people that don't know how to slide don't know nothing about that. So, but for all my sliders out there, y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. You can slide without throwing smoke in there. You'll burn a little rubber, but not too much. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about like when you just shredding the tires. You feel me? But yeah, anyway, that's the point. Put it in manual mode, you know what I'm saying? First or second. It's in first right now. I'm probably gonna start off in second just to try. I never tried it in second. Scat's making enough torque to do it in second, you know what I'm saying? To start off in second. You just gotta, you know what I'm saying, make sure you maintain it. But, you know what I'm saying, put it in second or first, manual mode, shift it all the way over, you feel me? And you get your little space. and then you start spinning and you counter steer. I'm gonna try to do it with 2 hands. I really don't be, I be forgetting to, let me see if I can do it in second, bro. Like start off in second. Even though I still threw up a little smoke. You're gonna throw up a little smoke, you feel me? But as y'all can see, I was kind of counter steering that time. See, I found the difference too just then. When the wheel, you gotta let the car do their thing. When my wheel caught all the way back and I wasn't touching it, and the car just sliding, that's when you're really sliding. That's how you know you're doing it right. When that mud just, it feel like it's just walking, like you just catwalking that bit. Like when they're doing that, that's when you know you're doing something right. But yeah, man, that kind of just, I want to show y'all that right there. I'm gonna give y'all the outside view. I'm trying to see where I want to put the camera at. I don't know. I'm trying to see where I want to put the camera at. But we finna, yeah, we're gonna get y'all boy right. I'm trying to put the camera over here somewhere by one of these trees. But yeah, we're finna get y'all right, man. I'm finna turn the camera off right quick so y'all can kind of see. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail first. Thought about that. Let me get a thumbnail for y'all boy, man. I might get one from the outside, but I might have to put the camera over there though. I need to get the better lighting. Oh. Get y'all boys a thumbnail. Oh yeah. Get y'all boys a thumbnail. It look crazy, don't it? Y'all see my shadow. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? This Olivia for y'all that don't know what she look like. You feel me? But yeah, we finna go ahead and prop the camera up.
Nice.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Had to show y'all boy real quick, man. Something slight, nothing too crazy. You feel me? Try to see Olivia, Big Lil. Oh yeah. I see Big Lil, man. Okay. Ooh, let's see. Tires they're a little ate up. I knew it was gonna be ate up because I went more that way. I went more on that side than this side. These bugs is a little warm though. Damn. My bad, y'all. Hold on. I can't even zoom it out because I'm in 4K. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We straight though. Let me see what we looking like. Yeah, we straight. Ain't no motor. I ain't spinning no motor. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. I just want to show y'all real quick, man. Have a little fun. Give y'all some lit content, man, what y'all known. What I'm known, I ain't gonna say known for, but like, y'all know how I get down sometimes, man. Y'all know, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But this is, you know, in Mexico. Strong, nice edit. You feel me? Nice, real good little edit. Fast, speed it up. Put a little sounds to it. You know? And we good. But yeah. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. But I'll just show y'all the outside view of what I was explaining on the inside. So basically, you know, like I said, counter steer, tap the gas. That was in first gear, by the way. That was first gear. First gear, by the way. I didn't shift the second. First gear is pretty comfortable. You just gotta, and I didn't redline at all, except for like, even then I didn't redline. I'm probably like 5,500 RPM. When I kind of held and a little smoke came up, that's just because I was trying to get the car to spin around the other way. That's about it. Other than that, bro, it's pretty. I'm a little rusty on going to the right, but that's just because I wasn't really trying to go crazy. I'm trying to just show y'all a little bit. I'm not trying to go crazy. Like, y'all just gotta understand that. But if I had just got some free tires, I had a tire sponsor that give me free tires, bro, I really like, but sliding ain't nothing. Like, it's not nothing. But nevertheless, man, like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. I can't put it in 0.5 because I'm in 4K, so y'all just don't mind me being so close. You know, I know I'm used to it being wide lens, but yeah, man. Make sure I hit that like button. Like I said, on the road to 15K. Get your boy to 15K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? And like I also say in all of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, car crew, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all keep that faith for all my religious folk. Stay prayed up, stay blessed, keep God first in everything that you do, man. And be obedient the best way you can. It'll take you a long way, you know what I'm saying? Take you a long way. We all ain't perfect, you know what I'm saying? We still gotta work, but it'll take you a long way, man. Just try, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew, man. Like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.